Here it is, guys. Yet again, SUI is the best performing asset year to date, and we're going to get into that. We're going to talk a little SUI, get you guys going in this morning. Make sure you guys all like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And if you guys hold SUI, this is one that you're definitely going to want to see. And we're going to ignore the fact that SUI right now at the time of recording is down 7.6%, but we have had a very good month and a historical year since their inception, up 436% in the last 365 days. And also, it's important to understand that if we do look at SUI on the overall chart, you have to understand the fact that, quite frankly, they have not been around for, the time that a lot of other cryptos have been, right? Since its inception back in May of 2023, it's been a very, very interesting ride. And I'll show you guys the chart here. But before we do get into it, make sure you guys all understand that what I'm telling you in this video is not financial advice. Please do your own research and due diligence with everything crypto and financial. These are my thoughts and expressions as it relates to my holdings, okay? But more so, we have flash momentum up here on my trading indicator. I can zoom in on these daily candles, and you can see that we are trading above the 20, 50, 100, and 150-day closing SMA. That's one of the things that I couple with momentum that allows me to make the best trades possible. Okay, but this chart looks super bullish. When will it end? I know we've fallen. We have got down to that $2 level right now, $2 and a penny. And if we look currently at $2.37, I was buying SUI at 89 cents right here when we did flash momentum up. And this is kind of the big mark here. And allowing myself to use my trading indicator, XT Algo, you can see exactly what I'm talking about. We'll measure that off for you guys. And it's something simple where it's just literally having alerts to your app from TradingView. And that's where crypto essentially allowed us to make 60%. I did that the opposite, so it's going to look like it's down 61%, but 60% in just a little time. I mean, this is since September, middle of September, so just a little bit over a month, making 60% on my money using my trading indicator. So if you do feel bullish on SUI, or if you want to use it the opposite way and short a crypto, you can do that as well using the momentum down feature. Okay, so check it out, xtalgo.com, link down below for 20% off, promo code NYFC in the description. Okay, and also as we get geared up for what's happening in the markets, and if you do believe crypto is going to explode, there is a leverage trading exchange, Margex, that is very available to most users. There's no KYC, so make sure it's right for you and where you're located. And if you want to get started trading on leverage, use my link down below, sign up with Margex. A lot of cool airdrops they participate as well in for people that use that exchange, and that's something where we're going to look into it and how a lot of success you've been having trading Bitcoin, Ethereum on leverage. Okay, but let's talk about it. Do you believe this? Do you believe that SUI has become the standout in the crypto market? Like I said, it's been incredible, 400+% over the year. We've been looking at these numbers, and they have been the standout performer. Okay, and this has been very sizable amongst the top 15 cryptos by market cap. All right. I believe in their blockchain. They've really outpaced Toncoin, 124%. They've been on the move as well. And that's kind of what I've been telling you guys. And just to reiterate it, not financial advice, but this is something where we look into kind of crypto as a whole. And for me and my money, that sweet spot, right? That 12 to 35 in terms of market cap, those cryptos located in that range, that has been the sweet spot. That is where the growth is, in my opinion. And you just got to cherry pick some of the big ones there. For me, it's been SUI. It's been the likes of, Toncoin for a while. It's been the likes of Caspa. Even AVAX was down there for a while. And we can go down that list on and on and on. And there are a lot of cryptos that have great technology. And when we talk about crypto, it's important to understand you can very much rationalize this. And if everybody's wondering, why are you investing in crypto? It's all a scam. It's all a facade. It's just for show. Well, it's the same thing as the dot-com bubble, in my opinion, in some form or fashion. People were millionaires made off of that, and people were dead broke, similar to crypto. So there's going to be winners and losers, and what crypto is just basically a very fancy code, okay? It's very souped-up code, and that's essentially what the internet is. So it's just a modern-day, I think, .com, and I'm not going to say bubble because it has not bursted yet, But that's just how I view it. And SUI and what they offer within their blockchain is something that's very attractive to me. We've seen their decentralized exchange volumes surging to $1.45 billion, seeing their total value locked increase as well. And if we do continue to grow, this is something we're just being around for a little bit more than a year. The growth that SUI is illustrating could rival a lot of the big players in terms of the growth metrics, such as Solana, Cardano, Ethereum. Okay, but this is important, and if you guys are wondering why SUI, Van Eck pointed out one of the things that, from an innovation standpoint, gives them a critical advantage: the object-based architecture. Okay, that's improved performance over the likes of Solana and Ethereum. So in terms of this layer one race that everybody thinks is kind of extinct and dead, a lot of people have said that about Solana. You're getting it with Cardano as well right now, which Cardano, in my opinion, is a sleeping giant. I was saying that Solana at $19 to $25 was an immediate buy. It was something that I was buying. I was swing trading Solana all the way up to $125, where I've just been holding since. But that's kind of where SUI is right here, right now. It's very early for them, and this is something where they have not experienced a bull cycle. SUI has a very, very large potentiality to explode. The likes of other cryptos that are established, that they've been weathered, seasoned by investors. People have been either in love with them, infatuated, or exhausted by them. SUI holds one advantage as well on terms of that sentiment, is they have not had investors get burnt by them yet. So there's a lot of optimism by SUI. I think the gains are going to keep coming. And like we've talked about within their cutting edge architecture that Van Eck points out, they have a lot of things running for them to make them the competitive leader within alternatives to your layer one blockchain solutions. Okay, so that's what we have going on. Also, it's important to kind of talk about the bad with the good and the ugly. There has been a lot of sales made by ICO wallets that have caused some concerns about insider trading within the community. So that's something that you always want to make sure that is on the up and up, and keep an eye out as we get moving further into the year and beyond. So that's what I'll leave you with: the impressive numbers, the impressive rise, and SUI is one of the, if not the best, it remains the best altcoin that has outperformed the market in market cap and just performance in 2024, that offers them as being one of the most promising blockchains to come. So appreciate you guys. Awesome. I love making this video. It was something where I love talking about SUI. I hope you guys do as well. If you haven't done so, please subscribe on your way out, though. Also, new news here on the channel. I figured out my X was not searchable. So if you guys haven't followed me on X, make sure you do so. I do post things on there. The handle is in the bottom left of your screen, TCryptoMark. And also, we talked a little bit about some of the channel sponsors. If you want to become involved with that, links down below in the description. So that's what I'll leave you with. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.